I want you to imagine what if you could make $1 for each click that you make, and what if you could learn the trick to turning that $1 per click into $39. With just a click, you can make 39 times more money than other people by using a computer or a cell phone. I mean, that's pretty cool, right? And you do not require any complicated technical skills or previous experience. There's no requirement for you to produce a video or a website. In fact, you don't even need any money to start because this is one-of-a-kind strategy, is completely free, and it is accessible everywhere in the world. So make sure you stick around until the very end of this short video because I'm going to show you how to do this money-making opportunity. Hey, welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to get paid $39 per click on this new affiliate website. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. First, I want you to go to this website, which is called moreniche.com. Now basically, you should watch this video before going to this website because you won't know how to do this without the secret. And I'll show you everything in this video. So first, I want you to go to the top of the page and click the button that says brands. I want you to click on that, which will take you to a page where you can search for all kinds of businesses. For example, there are companies like Black Wolf, Brutal Force, and the very well-known Zotrim. Now what this means is that you can promote different companies for different opportunities and earn a lot of commissions online. Again, this is all free of charge. You don't have to spend any money, and you can do this everywhere in the world. Basically, I want you to look into this affiliate program for Zotrim, where you can make $40 per sale. And as I said I would, I'll show you how to make $40 per click. A lot of people can only make $1 per click. But if you keep watching, I promise I'll give you everything and show you my secret for making up to $40 every time without doing any work. So again, all you have to do to get to that page is click on the link on Zotrim, View Brand. That will take you to the Zotrim affiliate program where you can make 40% per sale. And in this video, I'll just use the company Zotrim as example. Again, you can find a lot of different brands on this site, moreniche.com. I want to show you a lot of different companies that you can promote and earn commissions from online. In this video, I'll use Zotrim as an example, but you can use the same method with any other company. So let me quickly explain how it all works. Now you can join this affiliate program for free and you can use it to promote, different Zotrim products. Now the official website for Zotrim has a lot of different products that can help people lose weight. So on this website, you can, see examples for $59 per product, $119 per product, and $179 per product. You can also buy different products and packages. You could be the one to promote all of these products as an affiliate and make sales and commissions over and over again. One of the reasons I love to tell people about Zotrim is that they ship all over the world, quickly and for free. So that means you're going to make a lot of sales, get a lot of customers, and convert a lot of people. There will be customers from all over the world from every country, and more of them are likely to buy these products because they ship to all countries, very quickly and for free, and they're offering really high commissions. The average price of an order is about $150 and they have a conversion rate of 22.7. Now, all these numbers might sound a little strange to you, but don't worry about them. The only thing you'll know is that this product is selling like hotcakes. They sell a lot of products and a lot of people buy them. You could be the one to get a commission for every click. So let me show you how to pay and when you have to do it. So basically, they pay out every month on the 1st and 15th of every month. So they'll pay you twice a month and you can get your money through bank transfer, SQL, Bitcoin, or wire transfer. So basically, a lot of people called affiliates from all over the world make a lot of money by promoting Zotrim. So you can make as much as $66 and as much as $500 a year by just promoting one product. So if you want to start promoting Zotrim and making money, all you have to do is click on the orange button to join More Niche. So from there, you can create a new account. Again, you don't have to spend any money to sign up. It's completely free. Now for the partner type, which is very important, you'll choose affiliate because you want to become an affiliate and earn commissions. From there, you just put in your first name, last name, email address, and set up a password. You'll just read the policies and terms and conditions. and agree to them. You can sign up for free by clicking on the button. So let's move on. I'll show you exactly how you can make $1 per click and up to $40 per sale on Zotrim over and over again. But before I begin, I want to know if you're interested in having a side hustle like this. Let me know in the comment section below. So now that you've made your free account and gotten your affiliate links, which you can use to make money, let's move on to step 2. Findforum.net is the website I want you to go. Now when you go to this website, I want you to click on the button above the categories. That will take you to a page where you can find different forum categories in different niches. For instance, art and literature, health, shopping, e-commerce, music, and so on. Now, if we try to promote Zotrim, which helps people, lose weight, in this video, we'll get attention, traffic, and people to click on our link. For every click, we can make $1. And if they buy something, we can make an average of $39 per sale. So all you have to do is click on the link that says diet and weight loss. Just click on that and you'll be taken to a page with links to different forums. You can see a long list of all the different forums that you can join, and a lot of people will click on your link. And here, the plan is to join as many forums as you can. All of them are free and open to people all over the world. So all you have to do is to visit the forum, then click on the link, which will take you to the official forum where people are talking about different topics and asking and answering questions about weight loss. This is the best chance you have right now. Then you can just sign up for this forum and start posting on those forums where you can do it even if you have no experience. Now there are a lot of forums out there, and all you have to do is visit them, click on the button that will take you to page again and again. They are very interested in this subject about losing weight. So if you want a free account on this forum, all you have to do is click on the link and register. Now read the rules and click I agree to them. Then click the register button. From there, all you have to do is bring a username, set up a password and an email address, and fill out a few simple details about your weight and other things. They want to make sure you are a real person and not a robot before letting you join the forum. So right now, once you sign up for a free account, you'll need a post before you can put anything on the forum. So you're basically going to tell them the best ways to lose weight quickly without dieting. You can give them tips, and when you give them free tips, they'll trust you because you're giving them something of value for free. You're actually acting like an expert when you give them tips on how to lose weight, so recommending something to them at the end is only natural and makes sense, so make sure you put your affiliate links in the tips. Now, you can just keep using this strategy and posting on different forums. When people read your posts, they'll trust you, and the forums won't ban you because they help other people. After that, when they click on your link, you'll get $1 for every click, which is crazy, and you'll make an average of $39 per sale over and over again. Again, this is a tried and true method, and a lot of people from all over the world make money through commission every single day. So now that you know all of this, are you ready to be an affiliate? You know what? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!